Now, before we start understanding the procedure of carrying out an export trade, it is necessary we understand the objectives. What is the reason the countries compete to export maximum goods out of their country? See, the objectives here are to sell the surplus goods. The first thing is, if any industry has additional capacity, so any business has additional capacity or is underutilizing the plant capacity and it has surplus resources, then it can sell those surplus goods for profit. The next is better utilization of resources. Now see, rather than wasting the resources in the country because they are not in demand so much, we can utilize those resources and get a premium price by exporting it. For best way to remember this point is, remember all the Middle East countries who are oil exporters. Now they have tremendous oil resources, okay, and they are able to extract oil as much as they want because of the abundance oil reservoirs which are available to them. So they are better utilizing the resources by earning a very high price on by exporting that oil to other countries. Earn foreign exchange. See, the entire world is driven, or the current transactions which are done in the entire world are generally in US dollars, okay. So we are doing the transactions in US dollar and we are paying our bills also in US dollars. So it is necessary that where we earn in US dollars so that we can foot the bills which we have in terms of importing oil and other necessary commodities which we require for our country. So it helps in earning foreign exchange. Increases the national income. As and when your exports increases, you are increasing the gross domestic product, that is the GDP of your country, okay. Now because you are increasing the GDP of your country, you are increasing the national income. What happens with that? The per capita income of the people will automatically increase and the standard of living will improve. The next is generate employment. Now the moment I am exporting goods, there are lot many formalities to be completed and also I'll have to produce additional goods because I need to export that. So all these things which I'm going to do to export will generate employment opportunities for the people in the home country. Now it creates international cooperation. Why? Because see, none of the countries are self-sufficient, okay. So we have to depend on some other country who can produce the goods in a much better manner than compared to the home country, okay. For example, if India can produce pulses on a very better manner on a very large scale but at a cheaper cost, then obviously US who cannot do that would be more interested in buying from us. So this leads to international cooperation among the countries. This enhances globalization because we are able to trade between different countries. So this creates international cooperation and it enhances talks between the countries and it eliminates hostility between the countries.